acupuncturist in our office. She was teaching this to me. She's Buddhist, many years ago, and she said she was driving on a windy road and she was so frustrated because the car in front of her was just inching along so slow, and she was, "Urgh." And then she's like, oh, I forgot, dropped into her heart. Car pulled over. Now, the car might not have pulled over, but the car did pull over. So it's our research this week where all weeks, but this week, it's like, how is it that you attuning to your internal state, maybe attempting to take accountability without beating yourself up? That's a little subtext on this practice, right? Like, oh, noticing what is, neutral, no story. What's the feeling? How can I be with what is for myself, for the whole of the world? And then receive the surprise. For information on our trainings, which are open to everyone and offer continuing education credits to providers of all kinds, message us here or visit our courses page on the web at flowismedicine.com. And be sure to follow us on social media.